Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use countdown timer shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of countdown timer shortcode. Countdown timer is the best real date time counter element to let your visitors know about how much time is remaining to launch your website, application, event, webinars, etc. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on countdown timer shortcode. POFO contains two different countdown timer styles. This is countdown timer style 1. This is countdown timer style 2. You can select your desired style. Let me select countdown timer style 1. Time and date. Here you can enter date of your launch, so let me add end date with EMDD format. You can switch on off separator and enter your desired text for hours, minutes, days and seconds. Go to Style tab. You can set separator thickness. Let me enter 3 pixel. You can set separator height here. Let me enter 40 pixel height. Separator color. Let me select green color. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of time number and text. You can manage font size, font weight and select your desired font color. Go to Extra tab. This is element ID. You can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. You can see countdown timer is working with real time as in date set. Go back to General tab again and let me select Style 2. Save changes and preview it. You can see Style 2 here. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.